get another type of post that can get you a lot of engagement, a lot of shares, a lot of comments and likes, is the value post. So the post where you give value to people. Now this particular article here is for people who have horses, so for horse owners or horse lovers, and it's about a device, a new device that allows horses to be seen at night in the dark. And if you read the story, it says that it was created by someone who was actually hit by a car when she was riding her horse on the road at night. So it's got some great images with it. And if we go over to Facebook where this has been shared, let me just show you that this has actually been shared over 1,000 times. And if we go back, here's the image here that's been shared on Facebook. It's a very striking image. And the reason this has had so many shares is because it is giving value to people who have horses and who go out riding their horses at night. So if your page was anything to do with horses, then this is the sort of thing you could share to give value to your followers, and also share on other pages and groups as well related to horses and horseback riding. So finding good value giving content is actually a very important part of your Facebook page. Now a little later on in the course I will be explaining to you the best way to do this, so how to mix up your posts and your content on your Facebook page for the best results and the best effect. And again, you're going to find absolutely unlimited amounts of value giving content on the websites we looked at earlier for finding content.